Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Book of Meme. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Book of Meme after the breakout from a down channel on a daily time frame chart was completing the formation of a right shoulder of an inverse head and shoulder pattern. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then right now you can see that the price line is breaking out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. This was the left shoulder, this was the head, and this was the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And here we have the neckline, this one. And you can see that right now the price line is breaking out this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I will also share the link with the trading signal report for the current month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup risk tracks, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 21st of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell targets on and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see that first the price line dropped down, completed the final leg, entered the buying zone here as predicted. And then we had a very nice pump and read the sell target zone here. And now the price line is again gearing up from the same buying zone or the potential reversal zone. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Book of Meme that I shared with my members on 20th of May 2024. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Book of Meme was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. You can see it was about to enter the buying zone. And this was a complete trade setup, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And I told my members that we can expect some further drop, and once it will be entered inside this buying zone, then we can expect another reversal from here. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and drop more down and just into the buying zone here. And then we had a very nice reversal, and this was almost 48% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. Now let me take you to the live chart of Book of Meme, and this is the daily time frame chart. And previously we have been following this rising wedge pattern. That was the bearish bias pattern, and I've been telling you in those days that now the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, at any time, the price line can break this pattern to the upside or to the downside. And you can see that the price line has unfortunately broken down the support of this rising wedge pattern and formed a bullish bias pattern. That was a down channel. This was. In fact, we found the support and resistance of this down channel when it was moving inside this rising wedge pattern. And finally, the price line has broken out the resistance of the channel. And after the breakout, you can see pricing got rejected by the neckline of an inverse head and shoulder pattern. You can see this was the first rejection. And after the completion of the formation of this right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, right now it is breaking out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And after that, we will have another uptrend line resistance that was previously working as support here, and support here. And now it can work as a resistance. However, the technical target for the breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern is here as per this measurement. That can be from here to here, approximately at 1.45 cents or 1.5 cents. And you can see that we have already broken out the resistance of a down channel as well. And the technical target for the breakout from this down channel can be here at the top of the channel. That can be somewhere between 1.6 cents to 2 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.